In the restaurant industry, where margins are already razor thin, every seat counts. When someone makes a reservation and doesn't show up, it's more than just a minor frustration. So, how do you stop losing revenue to no-shows? Let's walk through the most effective strategies you can start implementing today. First, confirm your reservations. A lot of no-shows are simply because people forget. Automated reservation reminders via text or email sent the day before or a few hours prior can drastically reduce missed bookings. Just make them friendly and conversational. Second, make cancellations easy. The harder it is for a guest to cancel, the less likely they are to do it. Provide a clear, simple link in your confirmation message. This gives you more time to fill that empty table. Next, leverage a waitlist. Not every empty table has to stay empty. With an integrated system, if a reserved party doesn't show up, your host can immediately seat a waiting guest from your walk-in list, turning a lost cover into a happy diner. And perhaps the most effective strategy, require a credit card hold. This policy weeds out non-committal reservations and signals that your restaurant values its time and resources. Clearly communicate the no-show fee policy during booking so there are no surprises, and explain operational impacts rather than presenting fees as profit-seeking. Finally, consider a balanced approach. Educate your guests on the impact of no-shows and reward those who respect their reservations. By combining automated reminders, easy cancellations, and clear policies, you strike the perfect balance between great hospitality and protecting your revenue. No-shows won't ever be fully eliminated, but with the right tools, you can drastically reduce their impact. Follow the QR code or the link in the description to learn more about Toast's integrated waitlist and reservation solution, Toast Tables.